looking at the program, I'm very interested in the topics that relate to wellness, that relate to diversity, because these are real important contemporary topics for today. So I'm looking to hear about best practices in that regard. I think the other, general area that I would be very interested is hearing talks that are emphasizing reparative neurology, neuro repair, because I think that that's where we're headed here in the next decade. I think this is clearly going to be the decade of gene therapy and of the switch from ameliorating neurologic disease to repairing it. And I think that those talks that emphasize the repair of the nervous system and gene therapy are of most interest to me.